The words patient care are used frequently in the healthcare industry, but the level of quality care received varies depending on the physicians and facilities you choose. The Florida Heart and Lung Institute stands out among healthcare providers for one simple reason.
We want to provide the best care, the care that we would want our family member to get, and the care that we go home every night feeling proud to have delivered.
We give our very best to every patient, every time.
Our mission is to deliver the highest quality, expert care with compassion and consideration, and our entire staff is dedicated to this commitment to excellence.
The patient experience is truly unique because of our attention to detail throughout the entire process.
Our patient care team designs a multi-stage pain management program for each patient that minimizes narcotic exposure and maximizes comfort. And each patient is visited by several physicians daily to make sure they receive the absolute best possible care available.
Our first focus is obviously quality and deliver the best quality care we can. We want to make each patient not only live longer, but to live better. But with that, we want to make sure they have the best experience they can have.
In addition to providing superior care, the Florida Heart and Lung Institute is well known throughout North Central Florida as a center of innovation. We provide leading-edge research and development of new procedures in the areas of minimally invasive cardiac surgery, aneurysm repair, valve replacement, heart bypass surgery, and robotic surgery. If you're looking for a highly experienced team dedicated to providing superior care through the utilization of modern technical advancements, the Florida Heart and Lung Institute is here for you.